Hi, in this video, I want to quickly show you how to remove the path from Windows command prompt. This is very useful if you have a really long path and it's just getting in your way. So to do that, you just type in prompt $G, and then it just reduces it down to the greater than symbol here. If you want to see the directory that you're in, just type in directory. You'll see the path name here. So let's clear the screen. It's important to note that this is only temporary. If I open up another command prompt, it's back to normal with the path. So if we want to make this persistent, all we have to do is type set x prompt, all uppercase, and then $G. Now this updated the environment variables, and if we open up another command prompt, it'll be just the greater than symbol. If you ever want to reverse this, just simply type in set x prompt uppercase, and then an empty string. Now if we open up another command prompt, it's back to normal. And that's it. Thanks for watching.